Hello everybody, today we'll discuss Java aptitude question and answers. What is the Java source code compiled into bytecode? What is the other name of Java? Oak. The language was initially called Oak after an oak tree that stood outside Gosling's office. What are the type of packages in Java? There are two types of packages in Java. One is built-in package and other one is user-defined package. Which package is always imported by default in Java? Java.lang package. Which problem arises when multiple inheritance is used? Diamond problem, because methods with same name creates ambiguity and conflicts. Which component is responsible for converting bytecode into machine-specific code? JVM, Java Virtual Machine. JVM is also platform dependent and provides core Java functions like garbage collection, memory management, security, etc. Which component is responsible to run Java program? JRE, Java Runtime Environment. Which operator is used to allocate memory for an object in Java? New operator instantiates a class by dynamically allocating memory for a new object and returning a reference to that memory. Which algorithm is commonly used by a garbage collector in Java? Mark sweep algorithm. It performs two operations. It first marks the object to be garbage collected in memory space and then clears the marked object up from the heap. Which function is called during memory cleanup? Finalize method. Which keyword can be used to prevent method overriding? Final keyword. Which operator can be used to concatenate two or more string objects? Plus. Which is the superclass of all Java classes? Object class. Object class, which is stored in java.lang package, is the ultimate superclass of all Java classes. Which method of object class can generate duplicate copy of the object on which it is called? Clone method. Which Java feature enables to handle multiple tasks simultaneously? Multi-threading. Which method registers a thread in a thread scheduler? Start method. Which is a superclass of all exceptional type classes? Throwable. Which method removes all the elements of a single array list? Clear method. Which is a component in Java which can contain other components inside itself? Container. What guarantees type safety in a collection? Generics. Which interface is the most used collection type? List interface. What programming language or scripting language does Java server pages support? Java only. What is the name of API that connects Java with database? JDBC API. Java Database Connectivity API. Which is the pure Java based JDBC API? Type 4. In Java, which API is used for creating web applications? Servlet and Java server page. What is Java's first server-side web technology? Servlets. Which data type is used to store command line arguments? Strings. Which are the different segments of memory used by JVM? Stack segment, heap segment and code segment. Which method contains body of the thread? Run method. Which process automatically occurs at Java runtime? Serialization and deserialization. What are the kinds of variables in Java? Java has three kinds of variables, namely instance variable, local variable and class variable. Which operator is used to import all the classes from a package simultaneously? Star. Which keyword is used to inherit a class? Extends. What class allows you to read objects directly from a stream? Input stream class. Which method helps in clearing the buffer? Flush. Which is the highest class in the event delegation model? Java.util event object class, because it contains all classes and interfaces that support all kinds of event handlings. Which layout is used as their default layout by window, frame and dialog classes? Border layout. What is the argument type of program's main method? String array. Which access modifiers to be used when implementing interface method? Public. Which object is passed as argument to paint method? Graphics object. What tags are mandatory in creating HTML to display an applet? Code, height, width. What kind of thread the garbage collector thread is? Daemon thread. Which class extends input stream class? Object input stream. Which package contains classes and interfaces for networking? Java.net. Which keyword are used for the block to be checked for exceptions? Try. Which function is called to display the output of an applet? Paint. Who is known as the father of Java programming language? James Gosling. Which variable are created when an object is created with the use of keyword new and destroyed when the object is destroyed? Instance variable. Which is the template for creating object? Class. What is the extension of compiled Java class? Comment your answer. Thank you.